Your Pixel 6 or Pixel 7 has trouble charging when plugged in. I found the solution for this problem in today's product review. Join us at DIY Around the Home for a way to extend the life of a phone with an inconsistent charging port. There are a number of phones on the market that over time will develop a problem connecting to USB-C charging cables. You can bypass this problem using wireless charging, and that is a great solution, but if you're on the go, not so much. Enter the 2000 mAh magnetic portable battery bank from Chusi and the Ben2Ben magnetic smartphone case. I purchased both of these products with my own money, so you can trust that I wasn't swayed with free product from these companies. The TLDR is that these two products work great together. The battery bank has a strong magnetic connection to the case. Check me out trying to shake it off from the phone in this video clip here. While there are pros and cons for each device, which I'll get into next, these two items have helped me charge on the go with ease over the last 2 weeks. I've been using them together. As always, check out the links to the products below if interested. While these links will go to the exact products I purchased, you can also search similar brands that do the same thing by searching for magnetic phone model case and magnetic battery bank. Okay, here are the thoughts of the two products shown here. First, the Ben2Ben magnetic smartphone case. This one is specifically for the Pixel 7. As you can see, it is not the slimmest case around, but it does fit nicely and the side buttons work well. It has a matte back that does show smudges, but it cleans up quickly when needed. I have yet to drop my phone with the case installed, but I trust that it will do as well as your typical smartphone case when it comes to protection. The magnets are installed well into the case and don't scratch your phone. I can't speak for durability, as I've only been using it for a couple weeks, but there's nothing in this case that makes me think it won't last long as your typical smartphone case. Moving on to that magnetic portable battery bank from Chusi, this 12,000 mAh battery hour bank is really well made. It has a number of really cool features. One that you'll notice right off the bat is a digital battery level indicator. This tells you the exact percentage of battery power remaining when charging a device, and it also blinks the current level when you're recharging the battery bank. This MagSafe battery bank has a kickstand on the back of the device in case you want to stand your phone up on a table. It works, but it isn't super stable when standing up vertically. Twist the kickstand horizontal 90 degrees and it does a much better job holding up your device. I've yet to test how many times the Chusi battery bank will charge up my phone, or even say how fast it charges. Hint, it isn't super fast, but it does work and it works well. The magnets in the battery bank strongly connect to the magnetic cell phone case, making it a great solution for those that want a wireless charging solution. I'd love to hear your thoughts on if you have a better solution for the Pixel 7's charging port issues. If you have a better idea than what I've been doing, drop a comment below. If you know of a better magnetic battery bank, drop that in the comment section as well. Thankfully, I no longer have to worry about being caught with a dead phone while I'm out of the house and on the go. These two products work great together and get the job done. As mentioned earlier, we've linked all the items in the video description below, which, by the way, if you click on one of those links and buy something shortly after, I might get a small kickback at no cost to you. Also, there's a way to help small creators like myself via the Super Thanks button below this video. And lastly, it wouldn't be a video from the internet if I didn't ask you to hit the subscribe button. At least my begging was at the end of the video, so you didn't have to sit through it before getting the information you came for. Regardless of what you may or may not do, I appreciate your time. For those interested in learning more, check out DIYAroundthehome.com for articles, videos, merchandise, and more.